shoes. Oh, red na red. Red na red yan. Hi guys. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Hindi pa lalampasin ng araw na hindi nagkakape. Hot, white, mocha. Ba't ang dami na? Wala pa tayong nakikitang gacha. Ano ba yan? Donkey, donkey, donkey. Vietnam, marami ang motorbike. Dito marami ang bike. Aha, aha. Ay, wait nga lang. Ito yung mga napapanood ko sa K-drama eh. Kuya, wala ka namang masamang balak, no? Ngumingiti na siyang mag-isa. Oh, ano yan? Kangkong? Hindi ko alam. Soup? Tikman natin. Tikman natin ang soup. Ay, ito pala. Tikman natin ang soup. Soup, soup, soup. Ibalik natin yung soup, soup, soup. Ano daw yun? Ano yung instruction para sa instruction? Ano parang nakakabang naman sa soup?
Inikit mo daw muna siya sa sauce.
Ah.
Hindi ba nang
Saan? Oo nga, mabenta tayo. Ito yung kauna-una ng ano dito. Customer. Tapos meron na ngayong isa, dalawa, tatlo. May tatlong pumasok.
Tinola.
Tinola naman tapang. Pagyan natin kung ano nila. Veggies. Mga bigo and please. So far, di pa naman ako nabibigo. Hindi mo nagkakamali. Marasa. Try mo. Harap. Okay. Dahil puro Japanese kinemero na nakain namin. Magsi-Singaporean na tayo ngayon. Cuisine. Singaporean cuisine! Try natin siya. Masarap siya. Let's see, let's see. Husgahan natin. May free refill lang. Large na to. Walang ginger. Ay, perfect. Ang napaka-smooth naman kasi. First bite. First bite. Ooh. Beto siya. Ako hindi nila sinasama. Soup stock. Para may konting sabaw. Medyo. Pero kaya mo.
Ito.
Ayan. Ginger. We're here na. Ito na yung pinakamatagal namin travel sa train. We're going to Temple. Saan where? It's for going down. Keep left. Ay ko, last day ng gala namin today. Tomorrow, ulit na namin pauwi ng Pilipinas. Ay! Ayaw basahin. the tops, Marsong. Kuya. Ang stairs. Where are we? Oh, para tong ano, yung pinuntahan natin. Insadong, ano ba yun? This is the Sensoji Temple. Where is the entrance? Wala naman sigurong babayaran dito. Wala naman sigurong haharang sa atin. Oh, sorry. Oh. Hello. Ba dapat? 100. 100 yen. 100 yen. Shoot here. Ano number to? 40 ba to?
Hindi ba na yun?
Hindi ma-focus. Hello. $90.
90 na.
Oo. Oh, number 90 daw. 90. Naka-video pa yan. Excuse me. Ay, wait lang, dalawa. Ay! The best fortune ba to? If you are sincere and honest, your desire will be successful by blessing. You will come back with a lot of treasures by boat. Wherever you go, you will be happy. With the recommendation by your seniors, you will have a good job. Your hope will become true. The patient will get well. The lost thing will be found. The person you are waiting for will come. It is good making a trip, building a new... Ay, dalawa yung nakuha ko. And removal are both good. Both marriage and employment are good. Ibabalik yung isa. Wait lang, sorry. So, paano to? Ibabalik ba doon? Oh my God.
talaga siya lumabas.
Oo, mahirap siya po na. Tatranslate din.
Hindi mo translate.
Layo mo bag yan.
Na! Ano ba? Kahirapan na. 60.
60? No, 60. Ba't parang pareho tayo nasa ilalim? Number 60.
For to keep the right well, para tayo nagano. A fortune may meet you. Oh, a fortune may meet you sometime. It is sure that a certain fortune will help you to get a happiness. If your mind is always right, wow, your request will be granted. The patient keeps bed long. The long article is hard to find out. The person you wait for will not come. Building a new house and removal are both bad. To start a trip will bring you a half fortune. Marriage and new employment are both half fortune.
Oh my God, may plano ka pa naman magpagawa ng bahay. Ano ba? Kailangan mo bang Italian? Sa tingin mo, bad fortune ba yan? Kailangan mo bang umulit?
Tingin ko, kailangan ko itali. Pwede ka.
Tali mo, tapos ulit ka. Pagpagin mo dito.
Pagpag tali natin, small fortune. Papagawa tayo ng bahay.
Ay, may bad fortune. Meron palang may ganito. Tapos may bad fortune pa ganun.
Pero small fortune siya. Tingin mo ba? Parang
Ikaw.
goodness naman siya.
Budgeting.
Tali na lang natin. Parang for me, it's bad.
Okay, meron pa naman tayong
Try.
Galing naman, nasakto talaga doon sa
Kapatay pa naman ako.
Kapag feeling ko, if ever, kunyari, isa pang related sa house, baka hindi mo muna, wag mo munang ituloy.
Kaya, gusto niyo ba i-try ko pa ulit? Try ko pa ulit. Tali muna natin siya.
Kailangan nating magpagpag.
Pinapapagpag mo.
Hindi ko na. Natali niya ang kamalasan.
Kahit small fortune. Try natin sa'yo.
Sige. Sabi mo pag din na. Email. Ay, si Michael. Ito pala. Okay. Game na. Hulog na natin. Okay. Uy, number 37. Yan, malinaw na malinaw. Binola, number 37. Hinugot.
Pabasahin yung number 37.
Oh my God, a half fortune. That direction is clouded, so thick that east or west are not seen. Though you want to be famous in career, a chance doesn't come yet. You should wait for a chance with patience until the time comes. Just like to hunt two geese with one arrow, you can get happiness. Your request will not be granted. The patient get well but takes long. The lost article will be found late.
Oo, marriage and employment will be well at
With no harm, marriage will be well at last. Ay, talaga ba?
Sabi, mapapakasal ka na.
Tago din natin to. Feeling ko naman okay naman. Kaya mo yan, Marshall. Marshall, ay, ano ba? Nakakailang shake na yan.
Ayan.
Tingnan na. Number hindi ulit mabasa.
47 ba to?
Number 49. 49. Yan na. Magkakaalaman na.
Uy, regular fortune. Number 49. To slide the full moon on the 50th at night is brilliant. Your fortune will be full brilliant. You have no trouble in your mind and the heart, like the moon is clear and clean. The dark clouds are not seen in the sky, and there are no clouds are found all over the sky. It is really clean, clear, and beautiful. Your requests will be granted. The patient is hopeless. The lost article will not be found. The person you wait for will come late. Late. Building a new house or removal are both half good fortune. It is good to start a trip. Any kind of marriage and employment are both half good fortune.
Grabe naman sa half good fortune.
Okay na yun, at least.
Are you satisfied naman?
Yes, of course.
Gusto mo pa bang isa?
No. Gusto ko naman yung sa steak.
Bữa đó mà nó có loại mà
yen. Yeah.
Aray ko.
Wait, I think I want vanilla.
Vanilla?
Yeah.
Okay.
Vanilla flavor.
Ako chocolate.
The name of the shop is Kagetsudo. Here's the price list. Look at that. Chocolate. Vanilla. Thank you so much. We're eating the melon pan with the vanilla ice cream. How was it, Marsong? So nice. The bread is
bread is breading.
it's crispy. But it's soft. Soft. Hanapin na lang yan. Dito yan sa asa na nga to, Asakusa. Hanapin niyo yung store ng Kagetsudo. Sarap. Pupunta kami ng Tokyo Tower. Nahanap namin yung spot ni Hoshi. Hoshi! Hoshi Balashi.
Ginawa mo
Oh, look at that. Oh, 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 oh. Aray ko.
Tapos hinarangan yung parking lot mo.
Yung may kotse lang yung makakadaan.
Oo, yung may kasyan tayo magkakapag-picture.
Parang mali yung destination natin. Parang pang ano to? Lovers Park. Lovers Park.
Ay, siya, ang hirap ng parking lot mo. Pwede ka naman mag-picture dito sa park.
Eh, ganun daw talaga para makita yung shururung shururung.
Grabe yung pagmamahal ko.
Oh, ang daming ano dito, photographer. Baka pwede nyo naman kaming kudakan, no?
Yun nga. Baka duraan mo tayo.
The weather is nice. The weather is weathering. Ayun, cute ng aso. Saan na tayo patungo? Parang Lagos na to papuntang Narnia. Ang galing magbilang. 11,
11, 12, 13,
11, ano ba?
14, 15, 16. Ano yung 17?
17, 17.
Di ba iba yun?
Parang hindi naman Tagalog yung 17. Di ba ibang salita yun?
Espanyol.
Uy, ganda dito ah. Oh, shuriru shung shururu. Makikita ba to? Nakamasa ko.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ano pa, Larson? Ayan. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hihiga yarn. Paano mo pawala yung ilaw niyan?
おお、びっくりした。すごいね。スポットの。いや、すごい。突進してきますね。なるほど。あ、俺結構テレビなんか突進するんだよ。
ごめんなさい。あー、ごめんなさい。そうだね、もうフォトスポットなのか。そういうこと。ごめんね。大丈夫、みんなお姉ちゃんたち。ごめんね、お姉ちゃんたち。
いいですか。はい。
Kasi ko lang picture ka na.
Puro portrait lang dapat pala.
Saka?
Check mo nga muna. May time pa naman tayo. Paano ba yung buha sa pin?
Una lang.
楽ですね。
Okay na?
Ay, dilim ka. Dilim ka.
Okay lang ata. Kahit hindi may kita yung Tokyo Tower. Okay na?
Grabe. Naghintay kami ng almost 2 hours para sa 5 minutes photo. Oh my God.
Okay, yun na tayo.
Naiihina ako. Look at that. Uy. Oh, huh?
Naiihina po yan.
Come. Don. Ikaw din. Kailangan palitan tayo. Wow, ang saya. Tagal ba naman naghihintay eh. Aha. Kailangan talaga naka-holding hands. Ay, oh my God. Oh my God, ang lamig na pareho ng kamay natin. Kaya nyo yan, guys. Last dinner here in Japan. Kaya pala mahal ang liit. Ha? Try natin ito. Ay, ito ba dapat yun? Bakit yun? Tofu. Oh, okay. Morning, guys. Huling kain sa Japan. Huling kain. Pang-chiki. Siomai. At ang aming paboritong spam. Oh my gosh. Let's eat. Thank you for the food.
Marami kami yung Everest.
Hmm?
Everest. In Japanese.
Ano?
Walang 3 episodes. Ang dami ko naman.
Madami daw. Ilan na siya?
5. Di ba normally, hanggang 10 lang yan, yung mga Japanese.
Mm-mm.
Weekly pa per episode.
Tikman naman natin itong pang-chiki. Ay, ang galing. May galing pala. Oh. Saan mo daw siya here? Oh, pak.
Please one more check. Narita,
Narita.
Yeah.
name,
Mm-hmm.
telephone number.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes. Thank you so much.
So, we are going to terminate
Terminal 3. Yes.
but there I couldn't park the Terminator 3.
Mm-hmm.
I have to park Terminator 2.
Two.
Yeah. So, and from Terminator 2 to Terminator 3 had free bus.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. 5 minutes.
Mm-mm.
Free bus?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Airport bus.
From Terminator 2 to Terminator 3. Or walking.
Mm.
Walking about 10 minutes.
Oh, okay. But it's inside the airport, the walking part.
Yeah. Inside.
Okay. That's great.
Terminator 2, Terminator 3.
Okay.
Go straight
Mm.
so you
Okay.
can get it.
Okay, got it. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Ay,
Naka-on pa
naka-on pa din siya. Tibay niya sa battery ah.
Siyempre.
Mhm.
Nakaka-charge lang ng artista ban.
Seatbelt on.
Artista feels. Oh, may pabas bago makarating ng airplane.